Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can turn Gemini's voice to female. In order to do so, here we are in the Gemini app for iOS. Same concept if you're in Android, but just keep in mind that this function is only available on the iOS version or the mobile version. So if you're going to try to find this on Gemini, google.com, you're not going to be able to. But if you go to your profile icon up at the top right hand corner, then scroll down to settings, and here you'll see Gemini's voice. Choose how Gemini will sound, and then we have a variety of voices to choose from. So if you're looking for the female voice, then you can find whichever one is going to appeal to you. So I think it's Capella, Eclipse, Lyra. Those are all the options you have to choose from, and that is how you can change the voice in Gemini to female. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra, and if you click on our referral link, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you use our referral link, you can get $50 to open an account, and you can refer your friends and family and get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, and personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.